Good evening, YouTube. Sorry, I heard the keys jingling, but what's going on? This your boy Shawil and today I have another package. Let's see. Today I have a new helmet from Daytona helmets. Alright. No, I'm not sponsored by Daytona helmets. I actually bought this with my own money. Alright, I bought this with my own money. I seen the helmets, I seen one that I thought was pretty dope, and I figured, hey, why not open it right here with you guys? So once I open this, I'm actually today once I open it, sorry I'm stumbling on my words, but I'm gonna open it, put it on, we're gonna go out there, and we're gonna just ride around town for a little bit. And I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what I think about it. You know, I'll do some video of me rolling with it on, stuff like that. I don't have a mic hooked up where I can talk during. I don't really like talking like that during my ride. So, if you guys already know. But yeah, so let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so inside my box I also purchased the pin lock 70 to go with it. So that way it don't fog up the entire visor. And then also the box looks pretty dope. You see that? It's pretty dope. Open this bad boy up. Bag looks nice, you know, like that. And here is my new helmet. And it already comes with a pin lock in there, so if you want to keep just that on there, that's fine. Me, I like to have the full face, protected, only because for me, I feel like I don't like seeing the fog at the bottom. It's just a personal preference for me. It is a modular. I like my modulars. So, yeah. The padding feels pretty comfortable. And they got the quick release, like the Sedici's, not Sedici's, the what's the other one I got? The Shawil one I got. Let me do it for you guys real quick. Got a quick release right here. Door clip goes in. The visor on the inside. So, yeah. We're gonna get this bad boy on, and we're gonna take it for a spin. I'll see you guys once I get all suited up. So, I guess we'll see how loud the helmet is on the highway. And that right there will give you guys a good idea of the wind noise and stuff like that. And then we'll come back to the crib and I'll sit down and give you guys a good review on it. So, let's hit the road, alright? Man, let me tell y'all, this Daytona helmet is something serious. The first thing I noticed when I picked it up was how light it is. You can ride for hours and barely feel the weight on your head. It's like it was made to disappear once you hit the road. And for the wind noise, practically none. You can actually hear your thoughts in the rumble of your bike. Not that loud whistling most helmets give you. That alone makes every ride a lot smoother. Now, let's talk about the style. This helmet looks clean, sleek lines, nice finish. It just fits the vibe, you know what I'm saying?
inside the pattern is plush, super comfortable, no pressure points, no hot spots, just a snug fit that makes you forget it's even there. I'm telling you, makes you forget. Now, for the drop down visor, it's right where you need it. Perfect eye coverage. If I have one small wish, it'd be for it to be just a touch darker for those bright midday rides. Because that sun was still kind of gleaming in my eyes, and I don't lie to you. But other than that, it's spot on. And let's talk about that quick release. Oh yeah, smooth and solid. You can pop the helmet off with one hand, no struggle. Plus, removing the visor isn't a chore like most helmets. It's quick and easy when it's time to clean or swap it out. Listen, it's good to go. Overall, Daytona nailed it with this one. Lightweight, quiet, comfortable, and stylish. Everything a rider needs for those long days on the road. Alright y'all, that's gonna wrap up this review on the Daytona helmet. I appreciate y'all for riding with me and taking the time to check this one out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next ride or review. This your boy Shawil Glide, and remember, keep them tubes down. You heard? I'm out.